Assalamualaikum. My name is Atif Khan. Today my presentation topic is that why today Muslims are not considered as a human being. Today when Muslim in India are murdered and Muslim in Burma, Palestine and Syria are dissected, the whole world watch if nothing serious is happening. But when it come to any Jews or Christian murder, then whole humanity is a grave danger. If the whole world treat us then Muslim like an animal, so there must be flaws in us. So let's highlight these flaws. There is a law of nature. Even if you are sun, moon or human, you have to perform continuously. You have to satisfy yourself to every single moment. If instead of your own thinking, like to adopt other thinking and live in their thought, then nature will not accept you and you will even lose the title of humanity. In fact, of last few centuries, we Muslims did not prove ourselves as a human being. Muslims need to understand in this world who are human beings with whom people interests are connected. These who interpreted their time, who those are superior in the basis of knowledge. Even you are less in number, but you are most affected. If we remember our history, on one side our belief Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and their poor soldier, and other side his enemies were very rich. But Muslim one who had strong faith and purpose of life, those who had guts to prove the humanity. But in this history, the Muslims are not the superior ethics. They have also a scientific background. I am talking about the era that is called Qurun Ola. This era starts from 700 to 1600. I would love to share about this scientific era. In this era, first scientist is Ismail al-Jazari. He born in Turkey in 1136. He is called the father of mechanics. Al-Jazari invented 5 mechanics of rising water, as well as water mill and water wheel, which came to on the axle used to operate automatic. It was these water rising mechanics that he introduced his most important idea and component. He also invented first automatic pump with the help of piston used to water pressure to operate these piston. He also introduced the underwater sewerage system. In his book Kitab fi Marfat al-Hayadisiya, he described 100 type of mechanical system. He is the father of mechanics. In this era, second scientist is Ibn al-Hisham. He born in Iraq in 965. He was an Arab mathematician, astronomer and physicist. He referred the father of modern optics. Ibn al-Hisham was the first person who explained the vision of eyes that occur when light reflected from an object and passes to one eye. He also invented camera, telescope, mirror and lens, and also tell about why the ghosts are not seen, because the rays are passed totally from their bodies. His famous book is Kitabul Manazir. In this era, third scientist is Muhammad ibn Zikriya al-Razi. He born in Iraq in 854. He first time tell about microorganism that cause for the major diseases. In his book Kitab Sabak Waquful Samad, he tell about the gravity of earth, which he explained with the example of apple. But today we know that the gravity discovered by Isaac Newton. He is the first neurosurgeon. He developed the system of hospital. I hope all you understand my all point. If you have any question, ask in WhatsApp group or email your question. Thank you.